Morning student, today we will study class 3rd chapter number 4. Class 3rd chapter number 4, playing with images in paint. If you are working on paint, then how you can use several functions which are given on paint. See, I have opened a paint here. You can see here the paint. Select it. Let us now learn about the options and tools in the clipboard and image group present on a ribbon. To use the various option and tools in clipboard and image group, first you need to select the entire picture or a part of it. Selecting a picture, there are three types of selection: rectangular selection, freeform selection, and select all. Here this is a selection. Here you can see number one is rectangular selection, number second is freeform selection, and number last one is select all. Suppose first of all I have to make a picture. Here you can see I am making a picture one by one. Okay, this is your picture. These are the picture I am making here. You can see the pictures are in front of you, and let us color on a picture. You have to choose this one. After that, choose a color one by one. Okay, this is the way you can choose color one by one, and you can use also. This is the way you can choose a color. After that, number one, the rectangular selection. Rectangular selection is used to select a square or rectangular portion of the picture. Number one is, first of all, go on selection, then click on rectangular selection. Click on rectangular selection. In the image group, click on the drop down arrow of under the section option, under a selection option, under the select में आप click करेंगे, then click on rectangular selection. After that, you can see the rectangular selection. This is your rectangular selection. You can select like this, the rectangular selection. This is your rectangular selection, and you can manage the picture by your own by dragging the corner of the image. This is the way you can select. Okay, this is the way you can select a rectangular selection. After that, the second option is a freeform selection. Freeform selection is used to select an irregular part. Second one is freeform selection. This is the irregular part, and you can select like this by your own. This is the way you can select a rectangular selection. This is a freeform selection, and you can select the irregular part of this one. This is the irregular part you are selecting. Irregular part of your picture which you have selected. This is a rectangular selection. This is a freeform selection. You can use like this freeform selection. After that, to select the whole picture, click on select all. After that, if you want to select a whole picture, the picture which I have made, click on select all. Your whole picture has been selected. This you can see the whole picture has been selected. I am managing the picture like this. This is the way you can select a picture. Whole picture you can select it. After that, our next topic is cropping a picture. If you want to crop a picture, then what you have to do? If you want to crop a picture, to crop, the crop option in the image group is used to keep the selected part of a picture and delete the remaining picture from the drawing area. जो भी हमारा drawing area है उसमें से if we are using a crop option, अगर हम crop option choose करते हैं, click on the drop down arrow under select, click on the type of selection you want to make. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, सेलेक्ट पे क्लिक करना है, रेक्टेंगुलर सिलेक्शन. रेक्टेंगुलर सिलेक्शन वी हैव selected. After that, click on the type of selection you want to make. After that, drag the pointer to select the part of picture. Suppose we have selected only this part of picture. This is the part which we have selected. After that, the selected part will shown as a new file. Your selected part will shown as a new file. This is the selected part of your picture. Okay, this one you have to select it. This is the picture you can see. To save the cropped picture as a new file, click on the paint button. If you want to save the crop picture of new file, then you have to click on a paint button. After that, click on a save as, or you can directly save by clicking Control and S. If you are pressing Control and S, then you can directly save your picture by clicking Control and S. कंट्रोल को आपको प्रेस करके लगना है. आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन एस अल्फाबेट. ओके, देन deleting a picture. If you want to delete a picture, to select tool also as a delete option. The delete option remove the selected part of a picture from the drawing area. After that, click on a drop down arrow under the selection choose. सबसे पहले हमें selection पे जाना है. After that, click on a select all. Select all has been selected. Select the part of picture you want to remove. I have selected the select all. Then again click on the drop down arrow under the selection. Then you have to click here and choose the option delete. See, the picture has been deleted in front of you. The picture has been deleted. Okay, this is the way you can delete a picture. Now, resizing and skewing a picture. The resize option is used to resize a picture or a portion of it, or skewing it horizontally or vertically. First of all, you have to make a picture. Suppose that I have make a star here. This is the star. You can see the star I have made. Okay, this is the star. The resizing option is used to resize a picture or portion of it, or skewing it horizontally or vertically. To open resize and skew dialog box, press Ctrl W. If you are pressing Ctrl and W, the resizing box will be open here, or you can do a select. After that, select all, then click on resize. Okay, click on resize, or you can see Ctrl W. Ctrl W will also help us to open a resizing picture. Then click on resize image in a group. You can also select like this. Okay, you can select from here, select, and then select all. Select all. If you are selecting select all, then you have to manage the picture by your own. This is the way you can manage your picture. Okay, see how I am managing the picture. This is the way you can manage your picture. After that, from the upper side also, this way, then from the lower this way, after that from this side. See how your picture has been managing. Okay, this is the resizing and skewing a picture. The resizing and skew dialog box open. To resize follow the steps. First of all, check the maintain accept ratio box. This is your resize, and this is the horizontal, vertical, and skew degrees, horizontal and vertical. You have to check the box here. In resize area, enter the new value of horizontal box. The value in the vertical box is updated automatically. और जो यहाँ पे वैल्यू रहेंगी अपने आप अपडेट होती रहती हैं. ओके, now if you have a system in your home, you have to do this. And in our next class, we will discuss the further topics, and this is your revision of chapter number 4. This is the revision of chapter number 4. Thank you and have a nice day.